So today I am working on the trunk here, just cleaning up. I'm gonna put all the fabric and the carpet and the spare in this car, and the jack that goes behind here. So I'm cleaning this up right now. I took all the ice out. I just need to clean all this. I vacuumed the leaves out and it's looking pretty good. I just need to rag all this out, and then I'm gonna put the spare and the carpets over top, and then this is gonna look really good. I kind of skipped this part, but I did kind of cleaned. It's a little nicer. I wiped everything and I got the spare tire in there. It's right here, and I put the mats down from the other car. But yeah, I kind of skipped through it because I can't really record and work on it at the same time. I might invest in in a tripod or something so I could set my phone up at the same time as me working on the car. And then for the engine bay, I'm not fully done here, but we just had this covered up with a rag. So I put the map sensor in. I believe this is the idle air control valve, and it's pretty simple to put these on. You just slide these guys in there, clamp them, and then a sensor goes in here, same as a MAF. Sensor goes in here, and then just two hose clamps. And then this guy, I need another clamp for here because this thing's massive and it's oval, so I need like a super huge clamp that I don't have. So yeah, so I'm gonna need to either make one or buy one. And this one back here, you just clamps on, and that hose goes obviously to the front of the car. And this hose my brother actually welded for me because we, again, didn't have a big enough one. So either we're gonna do that to this hose, just weld two clamps together, or I'll just go out and buy like a 4-inch hose clamp for it. Just got my brother to weld up this clamp here. We added 2 extra clamps onto it because this oval is huge right here. So I'm gonna put it on quick and see how it holds up. The other one's holding up good, and there's not a whole lot of tension on these, so they should be fine. So I got everything set up. This clamp works beautifully. As you can see, this thing is huge. I still only have that much of clamp left. So everything's on there. This little bolt here, or this nut here, you gotta screw on, and this thing is looking really good. So that's all I wanted pretty much to do today, was the trunk and the air intake. And now I got to probably do this some other time when all the ice melts. But I gotta jack up this side and put on my tires that actually hold air so I can move the car. But now it should run good. So we're on the next thing on the list. I need to jack up the car. There's still snow and ice on the ground and the flat tires, so I can't really get the jack out. So I'm gonna need to pump this tire back out. So I'm just running a hose from the shop. So I'm gonna pump this tire back out to get the jack up. I'm hoping it'll have enough room. I don't know, we'll see. I might have to dig some of this ice out and stuff under here. So yeah, I'm gonna pump this tire up and the rear so I can get a jack under, so I can change the tires, so I can move the car. Yeah, so obviously I ended up jacking up the car. I didn't wait for the snow to melt. As you can see, there's still snow. It's like a little melted, but this is even a couple days later. So yeah, I didn't really wait for the snow to melt, and I moved the car a little bit forward. I put the battery in, started it, moved it a little bit. Man, these rims look really good on this car. So that's awesome. Yeah, so I got it moving, but the yard is an absolute swamp right now. I'm gonna show you guys over here quick. Here we are, swamping with the that's crazy. Yeah, so yard is swamped, so I'm not really going anywhere. but I got the tires on, so it's drivable now. So eventually I will start doing some more work on it. But probably for today, that's gonna be all I'm gonna do, or for this video, I guess. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you learned something, and see you later.